Hey guys, Coach Chris here, back with another video. In the comments to the last video, Major6106 asked if I could do a video on tournament preparation. Major has a tournament coming up. Yes, I can, Major. This is that video. Good luck on your tournament. It will probably not surprise you to learn that my pre-tournament preparation is pretty simple. First thing I do early in the week is I get on Chessable and I hit fast forward time. I've already done that here. There's a button over here that says fast forward time, and I hit fast forward time and I try to cruise through my opening repertoire real quick so that it's fresh in my mind. Anything I miss, Chessable will quiz me on throughout the week, and so when I go into the tournament, my opening repertoire will be fresh in my mind. Other than that, it's just getting in as many Lichess Puzzle Streak reps as I possibly can. I turn off, jump to next puzzle immediately, and then what I really like about Lichess Puzzle Streak, once you've turned off, jumping to the next puzzle, is that after you've played your move, so here, of course the correct answer was to deliver back rank checkmate. But what I like about Lichess Puzzle Streak is that it's very intuitive to use, I think. So, for example, let's just hit new streak. And then, alright here. Well, so the queen's hanging. That's got to be the right move. But let's just say, I don't know, let's just play something silly like queen d4. Let's say we thought queen d4 was the correct move. Daniel says no, taking the queen is best, and that's pretty obvious in this position, but let's just say we really couldn't figure out what's wrong with the move that we wanted to play. The first thing we should do is just take a look at it and see if we can't figure it out on our own. But what I like about Lichess Puzzle Streak is that you can just flick on the engine and you can confirm for yourself, alright, well, why doesn't this work? Oh, of course, he takes my queen. So, yeah, that's all I do, Major. Nothing fancy. Again, my style is just play super solid chess and wait for your opponent to blunder. So I work really hard on pattern recognition rather than deep calculation going into a tournament. I'm just trying to spot blunders, avoid my own blunders, and that's why I just grind Lichess Puzzle Streak as hard as I can the week leading up to a tournament. So again, I'm a adult improver. I've got family, job, all the things. I don't have a ton of time for chess, and so the time that I do spend on it, I want to get the most out of that time. And for me, I've seen the best results with working hard on tactics and just making sure that my opening knowledge is good enough, that my simple opening repertoire is fresh in my mind. So yeah, that's all I do. Hope that helps. Good luck on your tournament, and most of all, enjoy it. This should be fun. So good luck to you. Thanks for watching. Keep grinding those tactics.